We're at the summer games. Come on, come on. I've got my ticket, let's move along. Look at the map, what does it say? Gate 1, gate 2, this is the way. Read, 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 what can you see? A ticket, a map, and a message for me. Go, 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 but wait, wait, wait. Read the sign, then find the gate. At the stadium, we find our seats. Rows and sections clap to the beat. Swimming at the pool, running in the race. Water at the food court, smile on your face. Read, 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 what can you see? A ticket, a map, and a message for me. Go, 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 but wait, wait, wait. Read the sign, then find the gate. The race is delayed. Oh no, what now? Look at the notice, we know how. Meet at the desk, bring your card. Reading helps us, it's not hard. Read, 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 what can you see? A medal, a ticket, and a team with me. Cheer, 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 the games are great. Read the sign, then find the gate. Map, ticket, gate, seat. Read the words and move your feet. Summer games, hip hooray. We read, we cheer, we play today.